Right. So, good morning, everyone. So, we are talking about the human resource management and that methods of motivation at work. And the methods of motivation, in my previous session, we talked about the different methods of motivation. Those are different remuneration method. Remuneration is a different methods of money paid by employees for their work or service. And under that, we talk about the time rate method. Basically, the based on number of hours they work, you can actually determine the amount of wages. The time rate system. Time rate system, normally we are calculating based on number of hours, and then we are going to do all the deductions after that. There are deductions like income tax you have to pay, insurance contributions, pension contributions, employee savings scheme, repayment of education training loans, trade union membership fees. There are so many things are there. From the gross pay, you want to get the take home pay, you have all these deduction you have to make. Right. So, and workers are made to be overtime. So, overtime means a higher labor rate, working extra hours. Like workers might get paid time and half for the working hour after normal working day. At weekends during the public holidays, therefore, like normally overtime rates is there. Normal rate and overtime rate are two different things. But during the normal pay, they are normally getting the average payment like $50 per hour something. But in overtime rate, like we are working after that, sometimes there's a shift after we are working the overtime. Example, if your normal working hours until 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock, if you are working, that's until we are entitled for the overtime. If you work in Saturdays and Sundays, sometimes that's also counted as a overtime by the organization. And piece rate system, that is a easy method that you have how much number of items you produce, how much number of the quantities you uh, manufacture. Based on that only piece rate system working. So they just multiply the number of amount of items unit that you prepare, you manufacture, and then multiply the amount of the per piece rate. You can mention that we can find out the easily the performance piece rate method. And third method is performance related pay. It is a payment system designed for non-manual workers where the pay increases are given in the performance target met, like sometimes sales workers and all during the like not non-manual workers, which means like office workers, not the production workers, other workers they are giving these things. The targets are being expected, workers would get paid more. So if you meet the targets, you get paid more. So, but sometimes this system has some problems. Some targets can be difficult to like meet the targets, and also some workers feel that it is unfair because appraisers may be inconsistent, or the financial incentives may not be high enough to motivate. Sometimes workers may feel that the performance targets are too high or demanding, and some workers may blame the other factors such as machine breakdowns and technology faults and old machines and everything. So there are system some difficulties are there. So and after we talk about this case study about the how to calculate this top rank service maintenance department repair works, we talk about that, and then in a busy week, one mechanics working 50 hours, we calculate their gross pay and time, their salary, everything we talk about, right? And so today we are going to talk about these two, the bonus payment and the commission. So bonus payment is a situation like normally are giving in addition to the pay. Like normally, it's very famous bonus time is a Christmas season. Like organizations, they are paying at the end of the year. They are paying their bonus for the organization, the workers who work hard. This have bonus schemes. Bonus systems are normally paid in addition to the basic wage or salary. They are usually paid in targets are met. For example, machinists may be paid a bonus if they reach a weekly production target. So bonuses can also be paid to groups of workers. For example, a sales team may get a bonus if the whole team meets the sales target. The main advantage of a business of bonus payment is that they are only paid if targets are met. This means that the money is only paid if it has been earned. So bonus payments may be help to motivate workers as they work hard to reach the target. Their bonus, like always workers they like because they like additional money. So a lot of people they make sometimes plans with the bonus what they can do. They will going to buy this one like that. Sometimes new mobile phone. They are going to buy a new jewelry. Sometimes they are going to invest that money to a share market, or it might be invest that money to a anything. So many options are there, right? So that's bonus payment financial thing. Another financial thing is a commission method. Commission payment is, for example, they're giving that commission based on reaching targets, like based on the amount of output that they solve. In 2020 June, in Excel paper, they asked to define what is commission pay. So you had to answer that question by saying the keyword is based on the given mainly for the sales staff based on the number of items they have sold. This means that their income is nothing if there's no sales were made. However, uh, a common approach to pay a salesperson is actually a relatively low basic salary and top it up with the commission payment. This is the method used by the GVS life insurance in the first that paragraph. Life insurance, the commission they are giving for the insurance agents. Uh, Getting started at the beginning of this chapter, they will talk about that. So, according to the Taylor, right? Remember that theories we talk about Taylor, Herzberg, and Maslow. And Taylor talk about the father of scientific management. He says he approved that this method of payment is means motivating workers. So commission method. Taylor also approved that method because they say people are motivated by money. Therefore, you should give more commission for the sales. If you make more sales, you will entitle for more commission. Okay, now we're moving on to other parts of the like a this one you can see it's a kind of a non-financial thing, but automatically its financial motivation is indirectly there because if you get a promotion, you can definitely with the promotion salary increment also will be there. So many people want to develop their career at work. This means they want to improve their skills, learn new ones, and try to get promotion. A business can reward workers if there is a clear route to the top. The chance of promotion at work will help to motivate workers. This may be because promotion nearly always come with a higher pay. The higher pay rates are the rewards employees offer taking in additional responsibilities. For example, if an employee is promoted to an assistant manager or manager position, that employee will be responsible for the performance of the whole department or area of work. If business want to use promotion as a mean of motivation, it must be prepared to use internal recruitment, right? According to Herzberg, the chance of promotion is a motivator. So Herzberg factors are there linked in there. Herzberg also mentioned the motivators and hygiene factors. Motivator factors are the one called art track, achievement, recognition, the work itself, at responsibility, advancement, and growth. So responsibility, advancement mean in the track is that is the promotion chance. Chance of promotion always is a method of motivation. So if you have very good chance of promotion, people are motivating because they know, okay, I have a chance of promotion. Therefore, as a result of that, labor retention rate will increase, productivity will be increased, motivation will be increased. So always promotions are always we make people happy. That's the main reason sometimes people are staying for an organization for a long time because of the promotion capacity. Okay, so we are going to add after the next point called fringe benefit. Fringe benefits, or sometimes this is defined this as a perks. Perk, P-E-R-K-S, perks. Perks that is over and above the normal wage or salary. So in addition to the salary, above the normal wage, that is the in addition to the salary, sometimes you are getting something that is called the perks. So or sometimes we call fringe benefits. What are the fringe benefits? Counseling. So free counseling services you can see is a fringe benefit because sometimes workers they need kind of a counseling service. Sometimes they're in a stress, they're in a very panic mood. Sometimes they're in a very stressful and very sad, or sometimes they have some family issues or personal issues or factory issues, something. So you might have to be directed to a counselor. Sometimes free counseling services are offered by some organization if you are very in a stressful mood. Sometimes inside the organization there are counselors, but some organization they hire professional counselors. Second one, discounts when buy the employee's product. So that's another benefit for the worker. Let's say if you are working in a biscuit factory, biscuit company, and then if you want to buy some biscuits, so they are giving some discount, let's say 50% off for the discount the biscuits you are purchasing. Let's say the market price of a biscuit packet is say let's say 1,000 rupees. But if you are purchasing from them, you are getting for 500 rupees, like that, 50% off. Other one is a subsidized meals. Some organizations are there, they are providing free food, free of charge for the organization workers, they are getting free food. But this case, this is called the subsidized meal. Subsidized meals mean they are giving kind of a organization giving kind of a, like a discount for the food. So from the worker, they are asking only just a small token of money only, like from the canteen. So canteen provide the meals, but they are deducting from the worker only like about 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 30 rupees, 35, 40 rupees only. Let's say if a packet of uh, lunch packet is let's say 100 rupees, then 20% or 25% charged by the worker and 75% given by the company. So that's how the subsidized meals mean. Sometimes that they also giving free of charge for free food. Sometimes organizing, sometimes providing. It's a lot of like a cost saving. But some organizations they are giving a subsidized meals, which is they are giving that organization that meals they are providing, like not free of charge, but like a subsidized, very low prices. Other one is a free or subsidized accommodation. It's another example like some organizations they are providing for their staff like a subsidized or free accommodation. Some workers they prefer to they locate near to the factory, like walking distance. So as a result of that, you can see this factory, the workers they always want to give some kind of accommodation for them. It's like they can quickly reach the working place, the workstation. Then transport cost they can reduce everything. So some workers, especially like managerial workers, they are or sometimes can be any organization they are giving for like a lot of staff members. They are giving accommodation. For example, with a foreign job, definitely the accommodation they will provide it. You have to provide. Sometimes you have to find your own private accommodation. You have to rent an apartment or something. Or otherwise, company might be give you a free accommodation or subsidized accommodation. Sometimes they might give you housing allowance to stay nearby. So you have to find your own place. Sometimes company might find a place for you. Otherwise, you have to find a place by your own, and company might give you some kind of a percentage of the housing allowance. So there's another thing. So, but everything you can see is sometimes financial cost is there. Financial cost being actually incurred by the organization. And other one, private health insurance. Like if you hospitalized, if you let's say have undergone a surgery, that cost of the surgery or the hospital bill will be settled by the company. Another thing, free private health insurance thing, that organization will provide these benefits for the insurance organization, like they are giving these opportunities for the fringe benefits for the workers in order to make sure they are increase the boost up their health level. So they are giving some like insurance opportunities to get the free health insurance, and then like free checkups sometimes they are giving that the insurance like organizations to giving that providing those facilities, these other things. And also employee pension contribution. That's another example. Employee pension contribution, sometimes fringe benefit. In addition to the salary, the worker might get some kind of in addition to that, employer might be paid them an employee contribution of the like a pension. So that's another thing at the end of the retirement. So you can get some fund that is saved by you as well as given by the organization. The other one is a company car. Company car. So this is even for not everyone, only for the managerial workers, like executive level people. They are giving a company vehicle or sometimes vehicle allowance. So vehicle allowance, so vehicle they're giving sometimes with the driver or without driver. Sometimes it's preferred to some organizations if they are a managerial staff, they might give you that company car with the driver also. So driver salary everything paid by the company. The other one is the use of companies facilities such as gym. So some organizations they are providing these gym facilities. You can see some organizations they are providing this sometimes Zumba sessions, sometimes dancing classes, yoga classes, and so many like a health conscious because some organizations they are especially like a banks and all. So they're providing so many like facilities for the workers to include to increase their fitness level. So fitness level like a body and mind both. Sometimes that's why sometimes company outings to make them they feel happy, their mental healthiness as well as the physical healthiness both. So these are the main perks that given by. So if I ask a question, is that perk is a financial and non-financial? So you can't actually directly say this is the financial non-profit, because sometimes it depends on the, you can say it depends organization, this fringe benefit, because sometimes there are 9 mark questions: financial motivation and financial motivation. But non-financial motivation, we are normally have separately, we have some types like job enrichment, job rotation, job enlargement, these are the things that we are taking as a non-financial. But here, this also fringe benefit also we are here classifying under financial, because anyway, if you get free health benefits, employee this will be given as a free, but at the end, company has to pay something, right? So for the hospital, even the subsidized meal, you are getting the free food, but organization has to pay for the food. Right? Company cars, you are getting the car free, but company has to pay for the fuel and the driver. Like that, so everything there's a financial backup is there provided by the organization. They have to incur that cost. Therefore, this is financial. Only thing is that not directly coming to the worker. The worker will benefit all these facilities, but at the end they will be getting a benefit out of it. So you can see there are some reasons, good reasons why rewarding workers with the fringe benefit is good, because it may be cheaper to give employees 2,000 fringe benefits than 2,000 in cash. Why? Because of the tax system. Because every country there are tax system now, right? So you can see that. So organization, if you are giving workers like a money, always you have to pay some income tax, right? Withholding taxes are there. Therefore, it's better to give some kind of in terms of fringe benefit, because fringe benefit you can't tax. Therefore, you can, that's a very important advantage. Keep in mind, so employees may paying less tax if they're getting fringe benefits, because for the health insurance and meals accommodation, you don't need to pay tax, right? Okay. The second one, productivity may improve because there is a less staff absence, right? So, and workers may be healthier or with the private healthcare and having the use of the company gym, sporting facilities, and counseling services. Third one, you can see some benefits help to attract and retain better qualified employees for a business. Some organizations, some benefits of the help to attract and retain better qualified staff. And many benefits provide protection and security for the workers and their families also. Not only single benefit, is goes to their family members also. That's another benefit. A lot of people are not thinking like that, because they're thinking, "Ah, okay, I gave a t-shirt to this one, that he might be happy." But what about these family members? They don't get anything. They don't need anything. Therefore, these things. But if you give some accommodation, so you and your family members also can stay there. If you give some kind of pension contribution, your family members also can get some benefit. Family health insurance. Sometimes family members also, if they're hospitalized, they can get that benefit. Right? Same thing, right? So company car, same thing, right? So family members also can get benefit out of that. Like that, sometimes that's why many benefits provide protection for worker and their family. This help to improve their job satisfaction. And no, not only that, sometimes they are paying, some organizations are there, they even paying the child education. Some overseas countries, there are some overseas workers. You can see the school fees sometimes paid by children's school fees paid by the organization. There are big organizations like that. So then some benefits providing protection for work as well as the family, and finally, some fringe benefits are performance related. This will help to motivate the staff, and fringe benefit may only available to senior staff, and this might encourage employees to aim for promotion So they say Herzberg could argue that fringe benefits cannot be used to motivate workers since they are hygiene factors. So what is the point there? So they say fringe benefits cannot motivate people. This is only the hygiene factor. We talk about hygiene factor, CSR, W, and triple S. It's a mnemonic code I created for the Herzberg factor. You can see C for company policies, S for salary, right? R for the relationship between the peer and superiors, your subordinates. CSR and W stand for the working conditions. You can see the working conditions in the organization. And there are three SSR there we talk about. The mainly we call the supervision, safety, and the security. So supervision, safety, and the status. So these are the main like a CSR WS3 that a mnemonic code created by me in order to identify and memorize the Herzberg factors. Herzberg hygiene factor and the motivator factor. Motivators are the heart track, hygiene factors are the CSR WS3. So you can find out these are fringe benefits. By offering fringe benefits, so according to Herzberg, fringe benefits cannot be used to motivate workers since they are hygiene factors. That means you must provide these factors in order to retained in the organization. Right. Okay, now next part you can see the non-financial reward starting from here. So as I told you, non-financial we are talking mainly about the three things: job rotation, job enrichment, and job enlargement, those things, right? So I have actually given you this handout. Also, you can see this handout, unit number 18 in the human resource management topic. And that in my previous session, we talk about the financial methods of motivation, how we, the time rate, flat rate, we discuss, gross pay, the definition of gross pay, we discuss, net pay, that all we discuss, and we calculate the different, like salaries of the employees based on the time rate, normal pay, overtime rate, and the deductions, all deduction and net pay. And then piece rate system, we calculate some works. Piece rate system we talk about, and then we calculate based on number of units they produce. We multiply that thing with the rate of units, and we get the gross salary, and we do the deductions and get the net salary. That's piece rate method. The third one, talk about the problem with the piece rate system. We talk about that the quality might be dropped, quantity might increase, but quality, not the quality, like this kind of a thing. And also, we talk about the commission methods, right? Commission method, PRP method, right? Problem with the PRP method we talk about last week. So profit sharing is another method, like involving each employee receiving a share of profit for the business each year based on the amount they earn at the organization. Profit sharing, like effective representing an annual pay rise. It aims to increase the level of effort, motivation, and productivity of each employee, since the annual pay reward will be related to the profitability of the business. However, if the business makes low profit, then they will be having a detrimental effect on the level of motivation. Right. We talk about that and share ownership thing, right? Share option scheme. Sometimes some organization giving them free shares, especially PLCs, they are giving these things for the workers. Share ownership schemes also, like they are giving like a free shares for the people. Share options involves each employee receiving a part of the monthly salary, like shares from the company at discounted price. These forms of profitable savings plan for the employees, and they can sell them after a given time period. This could motivate the employees to work harder to increase their effort. So this is a remuneration package. Remuneration package will be basic salary plus allowances plus overtime pay. It's a type of allowances remuneration package. Basic salary plus allowances, overtime pay, and type of other type of allowances. We talk about this remuneration package. Right. Let's go to this activity, and you can tell me like a one by one this thing, like is a bonus, commission, promotion, and fringe benefits. Like so, this case you can see when you are talking about this number one example is a private health insurance. Private health insurance is this goes to fringe benefit we talk about right now. Right. So you can actually you also can contribute to the chat line. Right. Question number two. Only paid if targets are met. What is that? Only paid if targets are met. It can be bonus and commission, bonus and commission. Number three, given if targets are met. Given if targets are met, that's also you can see bonus. Fourth one, often used to reward sales staff, commission. Fifth one, links to Herzberg theories. Herzberg theory links what? Promotion. Helps to develop career, what? Promotion. Received in addition to pay. In addition to pay, that's also bonus of fringe benefits, right? Like that. Can be given to one person, promotion, right? Like that. So there are certain things are like that. And 9 month, make staff work harder, right? Promotion or can I say bonus or commission, right? And also 10th one example is free counseling. Free counseling is a fringe benefit. Links to Taylor's theory. Taylor says what? Taylor says commission. Commission is the best thing. He talk about the commission is the best thing for the staff to motivate, right? It can be entire, and it can be an organization can see the can be entire pay. What is that? Can be entire pay. Huh? Can be entire pay bonus, right? And also number 13. So that's number 13. Number 13, they say always motivate workers. What? Promotion. 14. Paid in addition to wages. What? Bonus. Right? 15th one. Might help to satisfy Maslow's need. Maslow's is what? Maslow hierarchy of needs theory. What is that? Promotion, esteem need. And also 16th one, example is a company Example is company. Let's say this part is one part is missing here. Let's say example is a company car. What is that? Fringe benefit. Fringe benefit. Okay, 17. Higher pay given to more responsibility taken. Higher pay given for more responsibilities undertaken. What's that? Promotion. Promotion. 19, 18th one. Paid in addition to wages. That's again bonus. 19. Require internal recruitment sometimes. What? Promotions 20th usually given to individuals. What's individuals? Commissions, bonus. Next one, promotions. 18th one, paid in addition to wages. Talk about required recruitment. 20th, 21, last one, can be given to groups. Fringe benefits or bonuses. Okay, so those are the things. So you can see here in the past papers there are plenty of questions are there like that. They're asking bonus payment and job enrichment. So bonus is a financial method, job enrichment is a non-financial method. Okay, so far we talk about only the financial methods of motivation. So non-financial methods of motivation we are going to discuss in my next session. So non-financial methods of motivation we are going to mainly discuss about the job enrichment, job rotation, and job enlargement, this kind of a thing. Because non-financial thing I'll give some kind of introduction today. In my next session I'm going to talk about the non-financial method like more descriptively. So here we're talking about the why non-financials are important. Non-financial motivation rewards are really important for a number of reasons, because some workers are not motivated by money. It's very rare, but some workers, like 5% of the staff, sometimes 1% of the staff are not motivated by money. They need some other thing. They need some responsibility, motivation, promotion, right? And some workers attach more importance to non-financial rewards. Some workers attach more importance to non-financial rewards. And also, since more and more people work in teams, individual financial rewards are less appropriate. Since more and more people work in teams, individual financial rewards are less appropriate. And that's the result. That's why non-financial is important. Like some of the motivational theories suggest that, such as these theories of Maslow Herzberg suggest that non-financial rewards are valuable means of motivation at work. Right. So these are things that we are going to discuss in my next session: job rotation, job enrichment, and they're going to discuss some case study in Tata Steel Company, and also autonomy. Right, autonomy is also really important thing. Like this time mock exams, and then and past papers, you can see at Excel 2020 paper there are autonomy word they're asking. What is autonomy? Autonomy is another non-financial method of motivation, giving kind of authority for the workers to make their choices and decisions about the way they work. Some empowering workers, giving them some kind of freedom for them to make their decisions like in control. So autonomy is like that. So a lot of students, they actually, I know, they find it difficult to understand this word. What is autonomy? Autonomy means it's a kind of empowering. The workers have some power to make the decisions. Right? These things are going to talk in the next session. Right. Okay, let's go to the that's possible discussion. You can see like out of financial motivation, you can see if you select the bonus payment, right? Think of the option one I selected now because you don't know what is option two. Option one, bonus payment. What are the, if this kind of 9 mark question? I always using a method called 2-1 method. Two advantages of bonus, one disadvantage of bonus, and give some kind of a conclusion. This came backyard shoes. This was a 2019 paper at Excel. So backyard shoes come with small business company in Kenya. So they are making accessories of the ladies. So option one, bonus payment will motivate the workers. How? They say AO2, the backyard shoe could give bonuses for the persons who has achieved the highest shoe sales within a month. Right? They can give a bonus for the workers, person who received the highest shoe sales within a month. And in an analysis point, you can see the employees may be encouraged to work hard as a result of that, right? Compete against each other to gain the highest shoe sales for the bonus. To gain the highest shoe sales for the bonus. Therefore, you can see, however, if an employee cannot continually achieve the highest shoe sales, then what happen? Disadvantage. They may become demotivated, and this could have the opposite effect. Because always we are giving this opportunity for the one party for higher sales, the best employees. Imagine they are an organization, they have a star worker who always the art of selling. So he might get that bonus always. Other workers will be dissatisfied. Say, "Ayo, I don't know how to sell. This is only that guy always getting that bonus. We are not getting any in there. So other people will demotivate. So that's the thing. Employees may be recent, like they might feel like a jealousy of not being chosen for the job, and sometimes therefore become demotivated, and sometimes they continually achieve the. That's why if they are unable to provide the high sales, always they will be demotivated. Opposite effect can be come. So like this is a job bonus method. So I had to write to advantage of bonus. You can see it will encourage people to work harder, and you can easily improve the then highest. You can give that opportunity for the people to earn like a more. Everyone will be so bonus and everything will be always. Taylor also suggests that this is the best method because more money. People are motivated by my money, so then they will be. Everyone work harder to achieve that bonus to work, but get the best employee. Want to be the best employee. Right. So it must be, I think, and at the end, you can suggest it will be a group bonus system. If other workers are not going getting, for example, if always we are giving only for one person, so it's unfair. So they can, therefore, we have to give for everyone sometimes something like everyone at least if you sell one pair of shoes, you have to give that small percentage. Like that, that is better. So always give someone a conclusion in your answer. Uh, However, it depends on the worker's ability and the ability of customer satisfaction and the ability of actually their organization they are behaving for the towards the quality of the product. Everything. If customers are happy, they will come again and again. These are the things. So that is how this organization and this financial motivation lessons are normally coming. Okay. Then in my next session, we'll see you there about non-financial motivation. So today I recap the lesson what we had discussed. So the second session of this financial motivation thing, we talk about the after PRP and the performance related pay. We talk about the starting from the bonus payment. Talk about the commissions. We talk about the fringe benefits today. The fringe benefit also financial method. Don't forget. So that also because organizations are providing this is as a they have to pay something for the workers. But sometimes they are arguing this as a non-financial because of perks. So above the normal wage or salary fringe benefit, they are paying or over and above the normal wage or salary fringe benefits thing. Okay. So that's it for the day. Okay, then we'll see you again on my next session. So we'll see you again about we talk about more about the non-financial method of motivation. So until then, have a nice day, everyone. Thank you very much.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.